Serbia, a country where history meets modern charm and hospitality knows no bounds. From its buzzing cities to its picturesque villages, life in Serbia is as warm and inviting as its people. Stick around to discover why Serbia is Europe's hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Serbia is a land of contrasts. Picture centuries-old fortresses standing beside lively cafes where locals share stories over a cup of rakija, a traditional fruit brandy that's as much a ritual as it is a drink. Here, life flows with a rhythm that's both dynamic and deeply rooted in tradition. The people of Serbia are its soul. Known for their warmth and resilience, they'll greet you with open arms and a hearty meal. Serbian culture values community, and it's reflected in every celebration, weddings, festivals, or even a Sunday barbecue called rostilić. And yes, Serbia is often associated with striking beauty, but it's the diversity, kindness, and strength of its people that truly stand out. From artisans crafting intricate designs to young tech entrepreneurs reshaping industries, Serbia is a tapestry of talent. Life in Serbia is a perfect blend of old and new. In the countryside, you'll find a slower pace, where families live off the land and preserve age-old traditions. Meanwhile, cities like Belgrade and Novi Sad buzz with creativity, nightlife, and innovation. Did you know Serbia has one of the fastest-growing IT sectors in Europe? It's a country where you can savor slow-cooked sarma one day and attend a tech conference the next. Serbia offers unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Cruise the winding Danube River, explore unique wonders like the mysterious Devil's Town, or lose yourself in the lively tunes of a kafana. And if you're a nature lover, Serbia's mountains, lakes, and national parks are a dream come true. Serbia isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. A place where the past and present coexist, and every moment feels like an adventure. Have you ever been to Serbia? Or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, follow for more amazing travel stories, and share it with your fellow explorers. See you in Serbia!